Hello everyone and welcome back to the Field to Found conference. I'm so happy to have all of you to join me. In this course, we'll try to go in every possible direction from starting up of an agri startup idea to release first version of your product or service. I'm creating content from the last 2 months and getting fantastic response from all of you. Already I hit my first milestone on my channel. There was more than 100 hours of watching time just in 28 days. By making this orientation itself, I'm enjoying a lot. Not thinking about what can be the best content that I can deliver to you, examples and so on and so forth. Why I designed this course? Because I want you to learn things that our agriculture college is not teaching right now. At the same time, I want to make agriculture education more broader for you. So still you don't have interest in preparing for the government exam, so you can also go for the better things than the job. I'm Chase Miran. I have been part of the agriculture education since 2016 to 2025. So I well know what are the things in actual ground. In this journey of last 9 years, I spent my time with agriculture student, agriculture faculties, agriculture education. I found there is a huge gap between the teaching right things to the student still. So why not I should contribute bit of to help make you more smarter so you can enjoy the other luxury opportunity in the same sector. Why I'm the right guy to tell you? Because I recently post graduated from the Agri Institute and have great experience in this. I am learning it from very long time. If you're watching me very first time in this video, tell me one thing. You believe that agriculture is just not about the farming, it is about building future as well. So welcome to Field to Found Conference, a course designed for those who want to move from field to building a company. India's agriculture sector is full of problem, but every problem here is also a startup opportunity. From input to advisory, supply chain, food brands, agri-tech, and rural services. This sector does not need more ideas. It needs founder who understand agriculture deeply and can build sustainable business around it. And that is exactly what is this course is about. Field to Founder is not a motivational program. It is practical step-by-step orientation into agri-entrepreneurship. In this course, we'll talk about how to shortlist and validate a startup idea rooted in agriculture, how to choose the right co-founder and build a founding team, the basics of equity, ESOPs and founder mindsets, how fundraising actually works in agri startup, how to build and price and launch your first version of your product or service. Everything will be explained in very simple language with specific examples and in view of founder perspective, not like a textbook theory. This course is for agriculture students, researchers, young professionals working in agriculture and allied sector, farmer children who want to build something of their own, and anyone who believe agriculture deserves more world-class companies built from the India. By the end of this journey, you may not have a unicorn, but you will have a clarity, direction, and the confidence to start. So, if you are ready to think beyond your jobs, beyond degrees, and beyond agriculture as a subject, welcome to the Field to Found conference. Let's begin this journey from the field to becoming a founder. We divided this whole course into the 8 stages, where each stage has its own significance, and you can't direct jump from one stage to another without completing the first one. Stage first, filtering and shortlisting best agri startup idea. First, we will generate multiple startup ideas. Then we will filter the best idea according to using feasibility, demand, and execution ability. There may be the case that you already have your own idea ready to execute, which is perfectly fine. In the last of this stage, we will narrow down 2-3 best strong startup option, avoiding idea overload and confusion. Outcome would be we will land on the best 2-3 agri startup ideas. In stage second, we will learn evaluating and finalizing the right agri startup idea. We will understand what makes an idea perfect, what is the market demand was personal interest, competitive landscape basics, selecting one idea to pursue seriously. What would be the outcome of this stage? Finalizing the one best agri startup idea. Stage 3, what would be in stage 3? Choosing the right co-founder and early agri team. In this stage, we will go through the certain point like when you need a co-founder, why you should choose a skill-based co-founder rather than your personal relation, trust, alignment, and long-term commitment, structuring the early founding team, and what would be the outcome of this stage? Clear co-founder and team plan. Stage 4, co-founder equity ownership is of basics for agri startup. In this stage, we would get understanding of equity in a startup, fair equity splitting principles and vesting concept, introduction of ESOPs and why they matter a lot, and what would be the outcome of this stage? Basic equity and ownership clarity. Stage 5, fundraising basic for agri startup. In this stage, we will learn about bootstrapping versus external funding, types of startup funding, when to raise funds, common fundraising mistakes by first time founders, and what would be the outcome of this stage? Fundraising, readiness, and awareness. Stage 6, planning and building the first agri product or service. In this stage, we will learn translating an idea into execution, defining the first usable version of your product and service, resource planning and timelines, testing adoption early, and what would be the outcome of this stage? The outcome would be first version plan ready. Stage 7, pricing of your agri product or service. In this stage, we will learn about the pricing fundamentals, cost-based versus value-based pricing, and we would learn about market positioning through the pricing, and we would learn about avoiding the underpricing or overpricing, and what will be the outcome of this stage? Clear pricing approach. Last stage of this course. In this stage, we will learn about the launching and validating the first agri market release. What we would learn in this stage, preparing for the launch, and about releasing to early users, and about collecting the feedbacks, and the another thing is iterating based on the market response. What would be the outcome of this stage? First market release executed. Agriculture need founders who understand the ground reality. Founder who respect farmer, founder who think long term, not overnight. If you stay consistent with this course, you will start seeing problem differently. And when you see problem clearly, idea automatically follow. So take it seriously, give it time and trust the process. And remember, you are not here to just learn about the startups. You are here to become a founder. I'm Jasmine and this is the course Field to Founder on Beyond Agriculture. Let's move to the first stage of this course. Till then, stay curious and stay healthy.